My name is Muhammad Fahad and I am from Pakistan. In this video, I am going to share some of my experiences that I had in Malaysia. The first occasion I experienced in Malaysia was Deepavali. At that time, I was staying in Klang. In Klang, there is a place called Little India, where I went with my cousin to see the celebration of Deepavali. People were doing beautiful and colorful fireworks, as well as music was going on all over the roads. And there were many stalls of Indian traditional sweets and shops of Indian clothes and many stores of cultural house decoration things and some Indian restaurants as well. That time I realized why this place is called Little India. That was a great cultural experience I had. The next experience I would like to share is about the trip that I went to on an island in Malaysia, which were a few of the best trips of my life. I went to Perhentian Island. Perhentian is in Terengganu state. The journey to Perhentian was quite long, but when we reached the destination, that long journey was worth it. The island was full of beautiful spots and adventurous forest. Before traveling to Perhentian, we didn't book the hotel to stay. That was a small mistake on our part, but it is also part of an experience that can be corrected next time. Also, sometimes these mistakes make the trip more memorable. The best thing about Perhentian was the peace and being less populated. There were not many activities to do beside a couple of spots to visit and activities like snorkeling and scuba diving. I went to snorkeling, which was a good experience, and there was a spot called the Turtle Beach where we went by boat. It took 25 minutes to reach there. It was a very peaceful place to spend some time and crystal clear water where fishes were swimming around us. At the same beach, they were also going to appear a shark. At first, everyone gets scared when they heard shark. Eventually, a few of us finally went in the water, but we missed the sharks. We were told that the sharks are smaller than us and they would not harm us. We did not see the sharks that day. Instead, we saw a few small fishes and the beautiful corals around the area. At night, there were some fire shows and some stalls where people were selling handmade accessories and many restaurants with some fresh seafood where we had tried different foods every day. I never had tried crab before. That was the also first time I tried and it quite good. It was one of the memorable trips of my life. Thank you everyone. I hope everyone had enjoyed my detailed story.